What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So today we are back with another hair installation video, and today we'll be working with Wiggins hair. Today we're installing their 5x5 22-inch glueless body wave wig. This is the unit. The unit comes with the strap attached, 2 combs in the side. This is it, already fully customized. This is it. If you want to get this unit, go ahead and click that link in my description. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. So I won't be wearing a wig cap for this install. I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig grip band on, and then we put a wig on. Also going to go ahead and put a wig cap over this. Now we're about to put our wig on. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace. Again, the unit comes fully customized. It has 2 combs in the side, has a strap attached. It's already pre-plucked. This is it. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation, and then we put our wig on. So this is what our wig looks like now that we put it on. Again, the unit is a glueless unit. It comes fully customized. As you can see, the lace is already cut off. A quick 5-minute install, grab and go unit. This is it. And the cap fits my head really good. Like, honestly, it feels like I already glued the unit. This is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of my wax stick to the hairline, and then just push it back a little bit. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the excess lace off. So this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, let it dry while we finish styling our wig. I did make some swoop here to see if I can cover the tracks of the wig, but this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, and then we finish up our wig. So they did send a melting strap for us, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this, tie our wig down. So I just finished curling my hair and this is what it's looking like. It's giving some really nice bouncy curls. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off and see what she looks like. And basically that'll be it for today's install. Let's take this off. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. Now that we took that off, now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation around the hairline and to my part. And basically that'll be it. This is it. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. This is the finished look. Super soft, super bouncy. This is it. It's giving natural. Super bouncy. This is what it looks like. Overall, this unit blends nicely with my skin. It was super easy to install. It is super bouncy, super soft. This is it. Again, this unit is from Wiggins Hair. This is their 22-inch 5x5 glueless body wave wig. This is it. It is completely glueless. If you want to purchase this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is it. Overall, the wig was super easy to install. It blends so good with my skin. This unit was really good. It comes fully customized already. All you need to do is to install your wig. Quick, simple, 5-minute install and you'll be good. This is it. If you want to get this wig, go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Wiggins Hair, the website's in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.